this video, we are going to see the metadata tab in API portfolio. Metadata are mandatory fields or optional fields, but those appear alongside different entities in API portfolio. For example, there is metadata related to portfolio, products, specific resources, and even deployments. In case, let's take a look at how we can add a field as a metadata that anybody in your team can fill in while they are creating a portfolio. This adds a layer of governance and allows you to control how much detailing you can put within a portfolio, so that in case of an incident or any use case, the important information is handy. In case of product, the metadata appears on the right hand side and other metadata also appears, which will be filled by your team. So for a portfolio, you can click on this add field. While you are adding, you can either select between the metadata field type, either a multi-select or a text field. For a text field, you just have to give it a name and mention whether it's mandatory or not. For a multi-select, you can give multiple possible options from which a user can select. Let's take a look at few metadata in this list. There's a contact email, which is a text field, mandatory, is active, which is like a status metadata field, and owner name are mandatory. Other few optional ones are whether the monitoring is enforced, contact number, and everything. Based on what is mandatory, you can govern what type of data is available for any user when they open a portfolio, a product, or a resource. In case of a resource, you have to select first the portfolio and a service inside it and filter it out. Based on that, you can mention for a specific resource, if there's any specific field required, you can configure it from here and mark it as mandatory. In case of a deployment, you have to select portfolio, service, resource, and the environment to see the deployment related metadata. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.